So the house I was telling y'all about that we looked at the other day, I went ahead and put in an offer on it. They were asking $69,900 for it. So the down payment would have been something like right at $14,000. I think it was 13,900. Right at 14,000. So I made an offer on it because where it was sitting, and the house is already rented, and it's rented too cheaply, and it's a month by month lease is what they got on there. But I could go in and I could raise the rent up, which I was going to have to anyway. But to get it up to market value, I was going to have to increase the rent by almost 50%, like 40% increase. What I didn't want to do is be the new landlord, the new owner or whatever, that comes in and immediately raises the rent up by 40 or 50%, because that'd be a hassle. It'd make me have to be, look like I'm just this terrible greedy person, and I'm not. I'd just be trying to get the rent up to market value. But anyway, like I was saying, they wanted $69,900 for it, and I put in an offer of $60,000, because at $60,000, and if I just increase the rent by 10%, then I can make a little money off of it. I can get a little cash flow out of the deal. I doubt they'll take it, because right now I'm pretty much a seller's world, because there ain't nothing available, But I did put the offer in, and the owners had said that they kind of wanted an investor to buy it because they're friends with the tenants there. Well, of course they're friends with them. Of course some people would be friendly when they're paying 40% below market value for rental property. But anyway, I'd like to be able to get my hands on it, but if it happens, it happens. If it don't, it don't. I'm still expecting, a big housing market crash here by the end of the year because of the whole COVID thing, where it's, the rent, can't kick tenants out. That's something else. If I'd raised this rent up by 50% and then they couldn't have paid it, I wouldn't have been able to boot them out anyway, because of the stupid rent thing that they got going on with the government, where you can't kick nobody out right now, at least not until the end of next month. They might extend that further, push it on out another 3 months or something. But once that's over, that's when I'm expecting the housing market crash to happen. It's probably not going to be immediate. I think it is going to be pretty fast, but I don't think it's going to be like an immediate, this is done and now we're having this crash situation. I'm thinking, a bunch of houses are going to get foreclosed on, a bunch of tenants are not going to have anywhere to live because they're going to be getting booted out left and right. And, where they hadn't been paying their bills. And honestly, if you lost your job because of COVID or whatever, it's not really the tenant's fault, but as an investor, it's not really our fault either, But anyway, I'm kind of expecting that to still happen. So if I get the house, great, I can make a little money. If I don't get the house, I can sit around and stack cash for a little bit and wait for the next, deal to pop up on the market, and hopefully be able to make a little money with that. But anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know about that. Like, subscribe, share. I'll be talking to you soon.